What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines.
This is Andrew.
And today we are back at Summit Point. It is a gloomy Monday, and there has been a ton of people who have canceled because of the prospective weather. But I have learned over time that this track has its own weather forecast, and you can't predict it at all. There's nothing you can do about it. You either show up and ride, or you don't and miss out on a great day, it seems like. So it should be a lot of open track, and it's going to be a ton of fun.
Yeah. The weather is a little gloomy, but who knows? We should get a ton of track time. There's, like Michael said, not a lot of people here, so that means maybe less red flags, less people on track to mess up your runs and everything. So that'll be good. It's my first track day starting out in intermediate, so that's a big change from starting in novice, which will really help me out because starting in novice every day is it's a little hard to work on stuff when you get blocked by people. So yeah, I'm looking to get a lot of clean runs today, and I can more easily work on stuff, which I think today I'm going to be working on head position because that's what I'm struggling with most.
Yeah, you do struggle with that a little bit. So
I'm going to work on getting my head lower in the corners and everything. So it'll be a nice day to work on stuff and just have fun.
Yeah. The everything, you know, is if you have an open track like today, you're going to get a lot of opportunity to be able to just really hunker down and work on things and not worry so much about if someone's passing you or trying to figure out how to, if you're a little faster, how to get around someone, or just pitting in and out for like track time, you know, because you can pit in and out and it doesn't necessarily mean that your session's done, but you can pit in and out just to get space. And with an open track like this, you don't really have that issue. You can just constantly turn laps, and it's going to be a ton of fun, but we'll check back later.
Yep, sounds good. All right, we're here.
Yeah, so it's starting to rain, which we kind of knew it would. The track day is still going to absolutely 100% run in the rain, and you can choose to go out or not. It's up to you. But with how it's raining right now, we're probably going to skip this session. The tires we have would be somewhat okay, but it's starting to pool up and collect, and that is past our tires' ability, and they're gonna take a lot longer to come up to temperature, which means even less grip because of that. So we're just gonna kind of wait for this to blow over and go from there. So we're just gonna hang out for a bit.
Yep, we'll see you whenever it stops raining, I guess. Okay, scratch that. Michael has actually decided to go out because he's insane. He's probably going to be one of two guys out there, and I told him to take it easy, so he'll probably be talking about that on track, about what he's going to be doing out there. He's going to be going really slow though, because it is standing water and still pouring rain, and there's another crazy guy going out right there. So all I can say is good luck, my man. There's no way that he's going to be out there for the whole session, but we'll see. Yep, I heard it. Someone went off. I don't know if you can see that yellow flag over there. I heard a wheel spin, and now it's a red flag. I think that's probably it for this rainy session. Made it back safely.
right, so it's end of the day. We've the sun came out, dried everything up really fast. We got 3 really, really good dry sessions.
Yeah.
I rode every single session today. I'm exhausted, mentally more so because of how much I was trying to focus in the wet sessions on being smooth and just you know, just pretty much just being smooth with everything. And it was pretty good. It started to dry up, got a little more confidence, went a little bit faster. That is about as fast as I'm comfortable going on the tires that we have in the weather that we were having. At the last session where it was kind of still wet, I was experiencing some movement in the front and in the rear. So that means I was pretty much at the limit of what I can handle. Those tires can probably go much more with a professional rider, but that was it for me confidence-wise. But it's the end of the day. The last 3 sessions were really, really good. I got some pretty good footage with Andrew and I picked up the pace significantly in the last session, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I was kind of keeping up with you the previous 2, and then you sent it the last one for sure.
Turned up the wick a little bit.
Yeah.
Andrew's looking great out there, if I'm being honest. He just, you know, like last time with NC Bike, there's some things he needs to work on and slow down to focus on. Same goes for me. I mean, you know, just got to be smoother a little bit, and yeah, I mean, I picked up some pace in the back section, but he's looking good. He's advancing quickly.
Yeah, I mean, despite only having 3 dry sessions, I didn't go out in the wet just because it's not the right tires, and I don't know, just didn't want to. But yeah, the last 3 sessions were good. I tried working on body position a little bit more, but I had to get accustomed to the track a little bit, which I found out Summit Point is a bit more difficult than NC Bike, I would say, at least for me.
It's more technical,
it's definitely
for sure.
More technical. There's elevation, maybe a little bit more tiring for me, but anyway, yeah, it was a good day.
It was a very good day.
Improved a little bit, at least since the last time I was here.
Yeah, yeah, 100%.
Yeah, and it felt good. It was perfectly, like 95, 96, 98% dry the last 3 sessions. Like, it was completely dry probably the last session. Except for maybe like a crack in the road.
Halfway through the first dry session, it was still a little damp. Sun was kind of working its magic, and then by the end of that session, it was bone dry, and we just pinned it and went.
Yeah, so, classic Summit Point weather. It's downpours and then it's perfectly sunny. So.
Yeah. It just goes to show that you shouldn't cancel a track day because of rain. Just go out and ride. It's a good day. It's a good time.
Yeah.
But that's all we got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in more content like this, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all the latest Moto Machines madness. Ride safe.
See ya.